What's up? Shawnee here. Today's video, I'm going to show you the GoPro Hero 7 White review 2 years later.
That is an issue.
You can pick up a GoPro online for $198 or wait until Cyber Monday in November. You could also pick up a newer version for around $300 or more. Ridiculous, I know. Links will be below in the description box or in a card at the top over here somewhere.
The GoPro Hero 7 White features a 10 megapixel sensor inside of its camera, which is similar to its brother, the Hero 7 Silver, unlike its father, the Hero 7 Black, which has a 12 megapixel sensor housed inside of the camera. So the 10 megapixel sensor equates to 1080p footage. 1080p HD recording capabilities were not available on the Hero 7 White originally until a software update came about for the camera. So to charge the camera, you're simply going to want to grab the power cord out of the box, USB-C, plug it into a wall, open up your port here, and plug it in. You should see a red light on both sides, and it should start charging.
I forgot to mention, sometimes no lights will be on this. And, let me guess, refresh, not even charging. GoPro, you need to fix this.
Alright, so the GoPro Hero 7 weighs in at about 2.5 ounces, which is pretty light. Compare that to a mouse, which weighs about 2.5 ounces as well. The GoPro Hero 7 White is rated 33 feet below water. Now, would this be waterproof to snow or water? Let's go find out.
Alright, so this is snow and it's still recording, which is very good. Now let's drop it. Let's get it all mushed up in there. Does it still work? Yes, sir. Now let's test water. This camera features a hard plastic body with rubberized gripping, so unless you have butterfingers, you shouldn't have an issue with this camera. Now, this camera is also good at drop tests. Alright, so this is a side-by-side comparison of the GoPro Hero 7 White versus my phone for stabilization. Let's go. Alright, so this is a side-by-side comparison of the GoPro Hero 7 White versus my phone for stabilization. Let's go. Alright, so this is a microphone comparison. Down here you have the GoPro Hero 7 White, and up here you have my phone.
Hello, mic check. 1, 2.
GoPro, capture video. Let's see if it does it. Let's see if it does it.
Here's a look at a banana. On the left-hand side, we have a shot captured on the GoPro. The banana looks like it is missing some color, but it is much, much wider than my phone over here. Now, on the right-hand side, we have the S10 Plus with the wide-angle lens. The banana looks more vivid, but the image isn't as wide as the GoPro, which you can clearly see here. Right here, we have some scenery. On the left is the GoPro. The sky looks more white, and the greens on the grass look more realistic. Now, on the right-hand side, we have the S10 Plus. The grass looks more vivid and bright, but the sky looks artificial with the HDR. Here we have some selfies. On the left is the GoPro. It is a much, much wider shot than my phone.